Hello everyone, so this is our day 2 in Maldives, and right now we are going for a sunset cruise. So sunset cruise basically will cost you $40 per person, so for a couple it would be $80. So we are going for a sunset cruise right now, and there we will be able to see a beautiful sunset in the Indian Ocean, and if we are lucky then we would also get to see some dolphins. So what basically happens in sunset cruises, they will take you to a sunset point where you can watch the sunset in the Indian Ocean. They will also serve snacks and cold drinks, and you can enjoy the moment there.
Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you begun. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like that.
So this is day 3 morning, and we woke up early to watch a beautiful sunrise, and this is what we were able to see, and I will let you also enjoy the same through this video. So after watching the beautiful sunrise, I came back to have some swimming to refresh my mind, and after that we will check out. So right now we are checking out of the beach pool villa. We enjoyed a lot in the beach pool villa for the past 2 days, and now we are going to check into the ocean pool villa, which is nothing but the water villa with pool. So this is where water villas with pool are located, or you can say ocean pool villa. So Furaveri Maldives has ocean pool villas and water villas without pool also. So this in this area all the villas are having pools, and it has also water villas without pool which are located on the other side of the island, which I will show you later in this video. We have also made a room tour video of the ocean pool villa, which you can watch on our channel, and the link of that video is also provided in the description of this video, so please go and check out that also. So just after we checked into our ocean pool villa, I came out and saw that it was raining on the other islands. It was not raining at our island, but it was raining on the other neighbor island. And this rain does not stay for long. It is a passing rain, so it can rain at any time. After that I came down to see if I can find some fishes there, and actually there were a lot of fishes under our villa, but they just ran away after seeing me. So in the evening we had booked for floral bath. So the floral bath will cost you $15 per couple. So at night we had booked for a dinner date at AMIGOS restaurant. So currently we are going there. So AMIGOS restaurant serves Mexican food. So if you want to have a Mexican cuisine, then you can come here. So this is AMIGOS restaurant. This is how it looks at night. So it is constructed over water, so you can have a very nice feel of Indian Ocean while having dinner. So this is day 4 in Maldives, and as usual I have started my day with some swimming.
Like that. Like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Like
So after that we had our floating breakfast. So the floating breakfast will cost you $110 per couple, and they provide a lot of items in the floating breakfast, and it is a good way to start your day.
stay with me, baby.
So after finishing the floating breakfast, we came out to explore the island further and to show you what are the other amenities that this island has to offer. But at first we have to visit the clinic to get our RT-PCR test done. The RT-PCR test is required when you are traveling back to India, and it should be done at least 24 hours before departure. So this is the clinic, and we are going inside to get our RT-PCR test done.
Now I even can breathe.
So after the RT-PCR test was completed, we came outside, and now we will try to show you what are the other things that this island has to offer.
Believe it, only then we could start. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that.
So the first thing that we found is the spa village. The spa village is the place where you can get all the kinds of massage and spas.
Stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me.
So this is the spa village. So you have to go inside, and if you have done the booking, then you can get your massage and spas done. They have varieties of spas and massages. So this is the kids play area. So if you are visiting Maldives and you have kids, then you do not have to worry about them, as they have ample space for them to enjoy. So this is the dive center. So if you have booked for scuba diving, then you have to come here. They will give you all the equipments which are available for scuba diving, and they will also guide you like where they will take you for the scuba diving, and also where they will provide you the training.
Wanna know what's beginning of love? You look so hard, but you can't see it in.
So just next to the dive center is the reception, where you can visit anytime if you have any doubt and queries related to your stays or related to your villas. So this is the place where they will provide the training for scuba diving. So once you are registered for the scuba diving, they will take you here and they will provide a classroom type of training.
Feel like.
So now we have come to the beach side of the island, and on the beach side at first you will find the UDHARES bar. So this is the bar where you can get all the kinds of tropical drinks and alcohols.
Stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay.
So just next to the UDHARES bar, you will find the common beach, where you will find some people who are enjoying their day at beach and some people who are doing their water sports activities. So this is also the place where you can do your water sports activities. So in evening we came out for the shark feeding session, and the guy which you see in the video is feeding tuna fish to these sharks.
You should call the police. Now I even can breathe. You love me and hate me, true me and false me, make me your shining star. Giving, receiving, changing, believing, only then we could start. Feel like that. Feel like, feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me.
So this is the area where water villas without pools are located. So this is the section especially for the water villas which are without pools. And this is the RAIYVILLA restaurant. This is the fourth restaurant on this island, and also this is the costliest restaurant on the island. This restaurant serves Asian food, and it is located on the side of island where you can see a beautiful sunset while having snacks or early dinner. This is how the island looks at night. I'm just walking near the beach, and this is how it looks. This is UDHARES bar at night, and the next to it is the common pool area. So this is our day 5 in Maldives, and after breakfast we are going for some snorkeling. And on our way we saw this heron, so we thought that we would find more fishes near to it. But the fishes here are very smart and they just run away very quickly. We were not able to find more fishes, but we were able to capture some of them which are here.
You look so hard, but you can't see it enough. Just find it and take it, don't let regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be gone.
So only mistake we made while snorkeling is we didn't ask the water sports guy that what is the best location for snorkeling where we can find more colorful fishes. So we were not able to find more fishes, but only a few of them. So you can avoid making this mistake, and if you are going to Maldives and if you want to do some snorkeling, then it's best that you ask the water sports guys that what is the best spot on the island for snorkeling, and then you can go there for snorkeling where you can find more colorful fishes.
So it's our fifth day in Maldives, and we are leaving today for Bangalore. So it's sad feeling. So it was a wonderful stay, thanks to Furaveri and team, and we are definitely going to miss this view. It was so amazing.
So this is our last day in Maldives, and the time for goodbye has come. We have boarded our seaplane, and now we are going to the Malé International Airport, from where we will go to Bangalore.
Believe it, only then we could start. Feel like.
So this is Furaveri Island Resort from the seaplane. We enjoyed a lot, and we are definitely going to miss this place. So that's it for this video. you like the video, then give us a thumbs up by clicking on the like button, and also please subscribe so that you can get more such videos in the future. Thank you very much for watching.